Hey Cherries, it's Rachel
And Jessica.
from A Cherry and Top Crafts, and today we are unboxing the
Button Press
from We Are Memory Keepers. So let's see what's inside.
Let's get in here.
Let's get in there. So there is the button maker.
Ow, I just cut myself. I'm bleeding.
Really? Okay, I'll get you a Band-Aid. Wait, I'm attached.
Should we keep it rolling?
Keep it rolling.
This is. Should I cut into the box?
Wait, no.
So be more careful
I gotta find a thing.
when opening the button press.
Real life unboxing. All right,
Here we go.
don't cut yourself this time.
Not holding the blade. Here we go. Okay. Should I just dump it all out?
Just dump it all out.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
They packed a lot in here.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Directions.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Excited.
We are going to need some directions. Oh, it's so
There it
pretty.
is.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this, maybe we should read the directions.
Maybe.
Attach the top cutting insert to top housing by lining the notch with the arrow and pressing upward to magnetize.
Thinking that's this. The white one? Or
The top cutting
Well-
insert.
we have.
Let me show you what we have first.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get the button maker that we have to, oh, this probably goes on there.
Yeah, look it.
Oh yeah, it looks like that. Okay.
Oh, I feel like
Where does
this.
that goes?
Well, this has like here.
We're so good at this.
We're definitely qualified to teach all of YouTube how to do this. Ooh, that's satisfying.
Yes. Okay, so this is what the bundle box includes. The button maker. The different size pieces to make 3 different size buttons. There's large,
Large.
which is like this teal color.
Yeah. I like how the colors all go so nice
Yeah.
together. They're so
And then
pretty.
there's the medium.
Down small.
Oh, well, there's the small.
And medium.
medium.
That's it,
And
medium.
so there's like different pieces that come with it, and
And
we're gonna figure that out.
We'll figure that out. And then it comes with the things to make the buttons.
The things.
Yeah, we got small,
Medium.
large.
And also these like little foam circle adhesives.
Yeah, so to make one button, you got to use a front piece, the back piece, and then there's these little plastic pieces in here too.
Okay, so that like goes over the paper.
Yep. And the paper goes over this. And then
You make a
And then it
sandwich.
goes, yeah, sandwiches in here.
Sandwiches.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
What is this for?
Attach top cutting insert to top housing.
Top cutting.
So I feel.
The trick. We figured out how to do the large one. I don't know what we were doing wrong, but the back of the button was not staying attached to the front. So we figured out if we press it down like 3 times,
Yeah.
then it
it'll
was fine.
stick. Yep.
Don't know why.
Yeah.
It could just be us.
Yeah.
But with a small button, it was fine. Just one
Yeah, it
press.
was like the first time. It was
One
just
press was fine.
Easy.
Um,
Yeah.
so let's do, what do you want to do, a medium one again?
Sure. Sure.
Let's do Fox.
Okay, this is from, what is this from?
Fresh Bouquet. Crepe paper.
Okay. So we're gonna start by cutting it out, putting in the base and the top.
The white pieces. They have fancier names. Where are the directions?
Yeah, really.
I lost the directions. Well,
Well,
directions
The one-
do come in the bundle.
the one's called the top and the other's called the bottom.
Yep. Line it up. Oh, your paper moved.
I think it's the one.
Also, we found out you have to really push down for the
cut
cutting
it.
part. You have to hear it crack. I heard it. Well, maybe a little bit more. Okay. Let's check. Because if you don't push
Yep.
there we go. If you
See?
don't push it down all the way, it will
Yeah.
not cut all the way through. And we
And
did
it-
that the first
yeah.
how many times?
The first few times, and that we
We're
kept
like, why
ending
is
up
this
with
not cutting?
half-cut buttons.
Yeah.
So yeah, just do it
You
multiple
have
times.
to go down harder or just kind of do it a couple more times.
So now we're taking off our
Take
tops.
off the white bottom and top.
And
What are we doing? Medium.
Here.
Medium is mint color. So this is the top.
here's the base.
There's a magnet on each piece, so you just kind of
And then
stick it on there.
you first line up, there's a little arrow on the top of the bottom. Line it up with A first.
A and A. The top of the button. The technical
Okay.
term. And then the paper. And then the little plastic sheet. It's called Mylar. Or just called plastic.
Yep.
Put that on there.
And then
Swivel.
swivel it in there. This one always pops in really easy.
Yeah, you can hear
It's
it.
just one, yeah.
You don't have to press
And
super
then,
hard.
yeah.
And then like magic, it's gone.
gone.
Where did it go? It is up on the top. Okay, then you take your bottom piece that has like the, what is this called?
Pin?
The pin?
Pin in it?
Yeah, the pin. So the squiggly side is gonna be up and the side that you open and shut will be down on the bottom. Lines on the side. Line that up good. And swivel,
Yeah,
right?
swivel.
Yep.
And then we gotta change it to B.
B and B. And down we go.
Push it again. Or are you going for it?
One push. Yep.
Oh. Yeah.
I think it's only the large button that for some reason you have to
Yeah.
push down like 2 or 3 times. But the medium and the small is fine, just push down once. So that is the button press from We Are Memory Keepers. It all comes in a nice bundle. And
Yeah.
then you can, if you run out of the tops and bottoms, the inserts and whatnot, you can buy them
You can
separately.
buy more.
And the little plastic things.
Mylar.
Mylar. Okay. And you can buy that at acherryandtop.com.
We'll
And you
button
can,
you later. No, what was my line?
we'll butt into
We'll
you
butt
later.
into you later.
We hope to butt into you later
Yeah.
from 6 feet apart.
Come on. Okay, bye.